As of December 2025, Venmo does not offer a direct in-app feature to change your username or handle. This means you cannot simply go into your settings and edit your existing username. The username you set during account creation is permanent. However, PayPal is beta testing a username change feature, which could be rolled out in Q2 2026. Since Venmo usernames are public by default, it is important to be aware of the privacy implications. Recent data breaches and increasing scams have led to user frustration. If your username exposes you to privacy risks, keep watching to learn about available workarounds. Since directly changing your username isn't yet possible, the main workaround is to create a new Venmo account with a different username. This involves transferring any funds from your old account, closing the old account, and updating your linked bank accounts and cards with the new one. Be aware that this process will result in the loss of your transaction history and social connections on Venmo. To protect your privacy without changing your username, you can set your Venmo profile to private in the settings. This hides your transaction history from non-friends. Also enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced security, and be cautious about sharing your Venmo username publicly to avoid potential scams or unwanted attention.